Are y'all ready for this?
You can't see off.
If you want to view paradise, something around in anything you want to do it, so I'll change the world. There's nothing to it. Compare with pure imagination, living there, you'll be free if you truly.
Evening, hello, are we? Funk and Fly, it's only 8:15 and it's already gone home. They've gone home. That's it, gone. Ripped out tomorrow. There you go, gone. 8:15, there you go. Not really done your vlog. Just a quick message really. So I'll get you some footage. Well, I've already got you some footage. This is towards the end. So that's already gone. That'll be ripped out tomorrow. But literally, just to say thank you if you watch the videos this year. And obviously I am taking a break, or will be taking a break. You never know, if I'm doing something I might come back, who knows. But just a quick message, you know, just to say obviously nothing's really happening when everything's shut, theme park wise that is, but if I decide to do something, go somewhere, you get one. So on that note, so yeah, so Funk and Fly is already funked off, and it's only 8:15. So yeah, but we've done all sorts, mainly Valhalla year this year. So we've been down up Blackpool, up the north for Blackpool, and gone Florida and gone Leesburg. So where's the time gone again? So on that note, just a quick message to say, don't know when I'll be back, but I will be back March time if I'm not back before. But no schedule or anything. But thank you for watching the videos if you've been watching. and we'll catch you as soon as we can. If it's not then, it'll be March 2024. See you in a bit. Tra. See ya. I'm going. Yeah, I'm cold anyway, so I'm gonna sit in the car for a bit and let the traffic go. So I am going, honestly. So yeah, I got you a few shots, so hopefully it's alright, but it's not an actual vlog, literally. Well, that's good looking, quite pretty. There you go. So yeah, I am going. Ta-ra, and we'll play you this another new intro, outro, new outro that I've done for you. There you go, and that's Air Galactica, whatever. Oh, we'll get you this sign that they've done. Just a few ambient shots. Because I've been with people, you see. When I'm with people, I don't tend to film. But just get you a little bit. There you go, back with a vengeance for 2024 when we get the last bit of tracking. Not yet, anyway. So yeah, we'll be back as soon as possible. If I'm not back for a while, don't worry, I will be back by March 2024, towards the end of March, shall we say. So don't worry, don't panic, Mr. Mannering, if I'm not back this side of Christmas, or the other side of Christmas. Don't panic, I will be back as soon as I can. So here from the Alton Towers Resort, still Alton Towers to me, but apparently it's a resort now. Yeah, 5th of November. Happy fireworks. Thank you for watching. Nemesis is very much alive and well, but stable. But dormant, maybe, I don't know, but it's back. And we'll catch you in a bit. Ta-ra. There you go, 3-minute clip. Here's the outro for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Follow me on Twitter if you're not already, and then there'll be live updates if you're not getting a vlog. See you in a bit. Ta-ra. Thanks a lot. See ya. Ta-ra.